Hi, I wanted to tell you a little bit about an exciting new project that just launched, which is my mini ebook on how to write a brilliant self-help book proposal. I wrote this book based on the 13 years I spent as an acquisitions editor at New Harbinger Publications, which is a well-known self-help book publisher in California. So I've seen a lot of self-help book proposals in my time, and I've pitched the best ones to the acquisitions committee there, and I've managed to get quite a few authors book contracts. So I know exactly what acquisitions editors look for in book proposals and what acquisitions committees want to know about a nonfiction self-help book project. So this book covers all of the most important tips and strategies, and it's condensed into about 76 pages, so it's pretty short and sweet. And it will help you create a really good, really compelling self-help nonfiction book proposal that publishers will actually be interested in, that they're going to be excited about, and that is going to sell for them. Because the first thing to know about submitting a book proposal is that the publisher is a business. And so the book needs to sell for them, needs to make them a profit. So a quality book proposal will tell the publisher what how the book's going to benefit them. And this book also works if you are seeking an agent. Same principles apply. So I have an order link in the video description. The book is only $4.99, so it's pretty cheap, but it's chock full of useful information for any wellness expert who wants to become a published author with a traditional publisher in the self-help genre. So I hope you get a lot of use out of this book. I really enjoyed writing it. I'm really happy to see it actually out there. And I hope that it helps you get a book contract with a traditional publisher. So as always, please join my self-help author community on Facebook and visit my website to see how I can help you plan, create, write, and market a truly transformative book, whether you seek a traditional publisher or self-publish or even hire a hybrid publisher. So all the links are in the description. And I hope this can help you become a published author in 2024. And good luck out there. Bye.